I'm in love with the stripper.
Broncos? Dude, I'm like that guy in the backseat on a road trip. He doesn't give a fuck, right? What are you? Oh,
No, stop.
I don't give a shit.
Nissan driver.
We're going to the game.
Yeah, someone's bound to screw this up. Of course. Nope. Nope. You got a red light, dude. And you were in the wrong lane as well.
Outside of Escobar and all the other pieces that they have. You know,
Red light run. BMW.
That's pretty common, right? They're anatomically like forcing you onto the balls of your feet, which is are exactly where.
Did not move over there. No stop.
The transition as we hit September, we're guaranteed a very interesting opportunity
Run.
here in baseball.
We're getting that. It starts with Cambridge. Thank you. And what I love about this is during this interview, and it's 42 minutes long,
stop.
it's worth your time, it's in the notes.
No stop. And there was a car coming too.
Not yet. The news of Dr. King's death would come later on that evening, and Sam was devastated.
At
At the time, he was a sophomore at Morehouse College in Atlanta, and one of three of
And you go after it turns red. Where there's a no turn on red. I don't get it.
that he first started meeting the men coming back from the conflict in Vietnam. And
red light
those
run.
weary, worn student soldiers warned
What's
him.
up with the red light runs
They said
today?
the draft
What the? Really? Red light run. When this light's green, that one's red. Oh, man, so left up there. You can go now. What? Really? Oh, really? Left turn regret. Jersey. You're making my home state look bad. No stop. Oh, what the fuck? Wow. Yeah, there's a sign right there, dude. 55. Why aren't you doing it? Nice, clear, straight road ahead of you. Nice and wide, very safe. It ain't raining or snowing or anything. I don't get people. I honestly don't. Marty! There's the frickin' DeLorean! Holy shit! That's the first time I've seen one in person in years.
I'm gonna tax you. I'm gonna charge you something.
I'm new to this game,
I'm gonna
guys.
charge you some shit. You'll be like, damn, that's why East do that.
All right.
So they should be direct.
And then so when you
We don't have a relationship.
I've been
We got
after
a
you
relationship.
text
what
me.
the hell's that?
And I'm in the studio with you. You come in, you rip a
Two
verse.
cutoffs in a
So
row.
I'm like, I got this beat that I want you to
They
do.
scored fucking points, but they went with somebody else, didn't they?
Yeah, they got Matt Ryan in there.
Who the fuck did these fucking guys take?
That was a right turn lane dodge. Dive. Not dodge.
Gary
Why do I keep
Hall?
saying dodge?
No, Colts.
I'm an idiot, and no one's stopping either.
Is it Gary Hogerbone?
philosophy is in theory, well, so I'm saying all this and then I'm going to say but, right, obviously some of the philosophers.
Red light run.
Right?
Two of them at once.
Right, it is telling you what you should.
Are you gonna do anything about it?
Things, right? What you ought to do.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know.
And
yeah, of course he was in the right lane. Or yeah.
He was in my direction, and I thought, did they recognize? And then, like, it's weird because it's.
The thing is, red light run
like,
by a
it just
Scroobaroo.
feels like it'd be kind of cocky, but you're not.
No turn on red, 3 p.m. through 6 p.m., Monday through Friday. It is Friday at 4:30 p.m.
Keep up the good work. Enjoy it down the stretch. Always a pleasure to talk to you.
Okay, I'll see you soon, I hope. Take
Thank you,
care.
Terry. Terry Collins.
I think it was red light run.
To the Mike Francesa podcast.
No stop. Red, yep. Scroobaroo. Nice.
The place is so it's under very well.
Okay.
Like it's being managed very well.
She doesn't,
Red light
she
run.
doesn't develop sort.
No turn on red.
should be, but let me show you something similar. And he showed me this wine. There was nothing similar to a Chablis. He showed me the sweet.
It's okay. I'm a limo driver.
But I'm with you, Mike. I think you have to hold serve. You have to figure out how else to win games. You have to play good defense.
That's what I said. We spoiled growing up.
No trailers in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. If this is Connecticut, you can't haul your big-ass boat in the left lane. No, no, no. You can't be there if we're in Connecticut. But we're on I-81. We are north of Syracuse, and there is no truck or trailer restriction here. So you're okay, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, do fun stuff while you're watching and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, guys, catch you in the next episode. Okay, bye.